Once there lived a shepherd boy. He used to graze a flock of sheep and goats. He returned in the evening with the flock. One day he thought of making fool of the villagers. He cried, "Lion, lion." The villagers came running. On reaching they found no wolf there. The shepherd boy made fun of the villagers several times. One day a wolf really came. The boy cried louder and louder. No one cared for him. The lion wounded the boy. It killed several sheep. He had learnt a lesson. He never repeated such trick again.